happened? That one. Toot, toot, toot.
Yeah.
We need to go down.
Yeah.
And then?
And then go out. And people need to go out too.
Oh, really?
And why go away?
Why we go out?
Upstairs, stay upstairs.
Because of the fire alarm?
Yeah. In the room. Yeah. The one in the room. Look up there, higher. Mommy fixing this one.
Is it the firefighter is coming?
Yeah. I can come the fire.
It goes toot, toot. Is that?
Yeah, one wood. Daddy wood. Okay. We go out. We use it. We can't.
Oh no.
We not turn it off. This one.
Fire alarm.
Yeah. I can't do in the fire.
Oh, maybe you call police.
Huh?
Maybe we call police or firefighter to stop the fire alarm.
You made the fire. I can see a fire.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah. This one broken one.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah. It comes right there. Wait. I need to get out here.
You get out in here. There's a fire alarms in another building, not in here.
Where'd it go?
Maybe firefighters come, that's why I stopped already.
I hate that. Wait. Can you hear that? Can you hear that?
Man, you can't hear anything.
I'm moving it. It's going so fast.